What's in the mystery box? What's in the mystery box? Shake it soft and jeer the locks. Click, clack, wiggle, waggle, thump and bump. Could it be a bouncy ball? Or a tiny doll? Or a bug that goes hump, hump, hump? Let's peek inside, don't be shy. Open up and give a cry. Wow, what a surprise! Mystery box, shake it here and shake it cocks. Rattle, rattle, roll and spin. What's inside? Let's find out when. Mystery box, clap your hands and shake it cocks. Every shake, every sound. What's inside? Let's look around. What's in the mystery box? What's in the mystery box? Is it soft or is it boxed? Fluff, fluff, squish, squash, wiggle, wiggle. Could it be a fuzzy bear with a ribbon in its hair? Or a frog that goes ribbit wriggle? Lift the lid, don't be slow. See what's waiting, watch it glow. Yay, it's a teddy glow. Mystery box, shake it here and shake it cocks. Rattle, rattle, roll and spin. What's inside? Let's find out when. Mystery box, clap your hands and shake it cocks. Every shake, every sound. What's inside? Let's look around. Shake it left, shake it right, shake it up and down so bright. Rattle, rattle, bump, 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 thump, thump. Guess before we lift the lid, is it big? Is it red? Is it something super duper lump? Close your eyes and take a guess. Shout it out with all your zest. I think it's a bouncy nest. What's in the mystery box? Is it sparkly? Is it boxed? Twinkle, twinkle, jingle, jangle, zip, zap, zoom. Could it be a shiny car with a horn that goes beep, beep, boom? Or a rocket blasting moon? Open wide, don't be slow. See what's waiting, watch it glow. Whoa, it's a rocket grown. Mystery box, shake it here and shake it cocks. Rattle, rattle, roll and spin. What's inside? Let's find out when. Mystery box, clap your hands and shake it cocks. Every shake, every sound. What's inside? Let's look around. What's in the mystery box? Is it furry? Is it boxed? Fluff, fluff, tickle, tickle, wiggle, waggle. Could it be a bunny sweet with soft feet and hopping feet? Or a snake that goes hiss, slip, saggle? Lift the lid with a big cheer. See what's popping, let it appear. Hooray! It's a bunny here! One little rattle, two little bells, three little timbres ringing swells, four little tickles, five little hops, six little surprises bouncing on top, seven little giggles, eight little smiles, nine little wonders, 10 little styles, all inside the mystery box. Shake it loud and break the locks. What's in the mystery box? Is it musical? Is it boxed? Do, re, mi, jingle, jangle, zip, zoom, zap. Could it be a tiny drum with a beat that goes boom, boom, trap? Or a flute that goes tip, tap, scrap? Open wide and let it play. Music, dancing, hip, hip, hooray. Yay! It's a band today! Mystery box, warm and cozy, soft like cups. Rattle, rattle, roll and spin. Now we know what's inside, fun begins. Mystery box, clap your hands, we love it, cocks. Every shake, every sound, so many gifts, so much fun around. The mystery box is sleeping tight, full of dreams and soft delight. Tomorrow we'll shake it one more time. Mystery box, you're so sublime. Good night, mystery box.